kind of finished, but not really. Still gotta put a couple of things together, but yeah, I'm done. Okay, we're back in the shop and back working on the wagon. So today I'm just going to do interior detail, finally. The car's pretty dirty since it's been sitting for so long, so I already took the seats out. Driver's and passenger seat, and of course it has a bunch of mess in here. So I'm just going to vacuum all of this and shampoo the carpet, and we'll go from there. Okay, so here it looks like now. I'm halfway there, I would say. This center console was really bad. Now you can finally see gray color. Dashboard. No more dust. Carpet looks pretty good actually for how dirty it was. I'm still gonna go through that area a little bit. Door panels, nice and clean. And I think now it's time for me to take care of the seat. And then I'm going to move on to the rear seat. And here's just a comparison, two seats. This one got done and this one is next. Obviously you can see the color difference. But I actually like it when it's clean. So yeah, let's continue on to the driver's seat.